Becoming an electronics engineer was not in the top of my list. Ever since my father put together a telescope to see Halleywood, I had a fascination for astrophysics. Later, my mother inspired me to go for an altruistic career like bionics. Those were my first two choices. I tried to find a common denominator between the two, and there it was, electronics. I realize now the true common denominator in this decision was the idea of being able to build up complex systems by deconstructing the problem into such tiny pieces to the point that each piece has an obvious solution. That for me is engineering. No matter how big and overwhelming a task can be, if we zoom out long enough, we can deconstruct it into parts of a comfortable size. That said, we engineers are humbled to be standing on the shoulders of giants, as we rely on the theoretical and practical experiences of others. Engineering requires building up a community in which you rely on each other, and eventually you may also become a reliable piece of the puzzle. Now, at Latent AI, I am grateful to be part of an innovative, ever-growing and ever more diverse community, creating new technology applications that can make everyone's life better. Just like different fields of engineering rely on one another, software relies on hardware and hardware relies on software. In this orchestration comes the embedded software engineer, who materializes what is imaginable in software to a specific piece of hardware. It is like having a very complicated music composition in paper with the task of actually playing it. And it all starts with the Hello World calibration step.